Industrial and commercial environment electricity use is relatively complex. There's a great demand in such as backup power supply, peak shaving and valley filling, and so on. BESS, the battery energy storage system, relying on the four major advantages: escort for industrial and commercial power using high-quality lithium iron phosphate power cell, intelligent air cooling design, two-stage BMS design, three-stage electrical protection system. Take safety and reliability deep into each detail, each experience. Modular design, be beneficial to maintenance, capacity expansion, and management. With high energy type system, stable performance, and long service life. From the inside out, really efficient and convenient. 3. Active balance. To overcome the influence of cell capacity on system capacity. The balancing accuracy is less than 2%, and the balancing capacity reaches 10% of the rated output. The BESS has long cycle life and low failure rate. Reduce operation and maintenance investment for product use and optimize cost to the maximum extent. Innovation and surpass. We are always working hard to provide the world with safer clean energy.